A candy house? No. A chocolate one? Yes! But Minahi, where did you get this from? Oh, I made it by myself. Really? Yes. Can you teach me how to make it? Okay. Come friend, join with me. I'll tell you how to make the chocolate bomb. Yay! So now we're gonna make chocolate bomb. Boom! Oh, silly Ahmed, we're not gonna make that type of chocolate bomb. Everyone is loving chocolate bomb these days. And they're super trending. So now let's make the chocolate bomb. So the first ingredient is chocolate. I used Hershey's for that. I used 125 grams for it. Then I melted in a microwave for 20 seconds. Then again put inside the microwave for 10 seconds. Then you'll get your yummy, delicious melted chocolate. Yummy. Friend, over here is our melted chocolate. It's not too thin or thick. The second ingredient is chocolate powder. You can use any type of chocolate. I'm using Ovaltine. You could also use your protein powder if you want to. Look, this is the chocolate powder. I'm using Ovaltine. And the third ingredients are marshmallows. It's optional. If you want to use them, you can. If you want to skip it, you can. So the fourth and last ingredient is sprinkles. We have three options over here. There's harsh. There's even sugary sprinkles. There's sugary. And there's balls. I like those pink balls. So now let's start the process. So I have to pour the melted chocolate into this mold. Now I have to pour it. Now I'm gonna fill all these three molds. No, me, I want to. Okay. Yay, and fill it right in here, guys. Look at it. I'm probably doing better than you. What's that face? Oh, I'm better than you. That's my annoyed face. More like the baddest face I've ever seen. Come on. Don't spill the chocolate on the plate. Wait. You see this presentation? Wow, it's I don't know if that will work. Let's check our bowl. It's full of chocolate. Good job. I'm going to get out the extra chocolate from the mold. Come on, you know how you're going to help me? Okay. Yes. Thanks. There. Whoa. I'm going to leave it out to you. No. It's like raindrops. No. It's out to you. No. Raindrops. What? Now we have to clean the axis. By eating it? No, by wiping it. Can I have one tissue so I could help? Okay. Gonna wipe off the axis. You mean an axe? No, not an axe. Now we have to refrigerate it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our chocolate looks like this. And it got hardened. Look at it. Now let's take it out from the mold. First, one by one. Okay. First one. Okay. It's second hard. One. It's very hard, kids. It's very cold. Now I'm gonna add some marshmallow. Nope, I'm gonna add some chocolate powder first. I'm gonna add marshmallows first. Wow, it looks so good. Oop. Now I'm gonna add some of my marshmallows. Yum! One marshmallow, two marshmallow, 3, 4. I'm doing this fast so it cannot melt. 5, 6. Also do it very. Now I'm gonna add my last more marshmallows than me. I'm just rich marshmallows. Oh! You rich of marshmallows? Can I just try to open it? Oh, guys, who do you think it's better?
I think mine is better. Mine has a lot of.
Yes, can I just see
one? My favorite one is the pink balls.
My favorite one is the hearts. Now look at it. Which one's better?
I think mine is better. It has more sweets.
What is this marshmallow for?
To eat at the
end. I wonder how it works. So now we need a warm plate. And then we have to put the second part on the warm plate, melt it a little bit, and then put it on the first piece. Now we have to take it out. So friends, we put the second part onto the first part by melting it. Look at the chocolate got melted. Now we have to let it stick to the first part. I think you added too much toppings. Now our chocolate has hardened together. Now we can decorate it. Yay! Chocolate. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look, mine's a human. You see the nose? You see mine? It's not a human, but it's really good.
It's like a volcano, yeah.
Mine's like a volcano.
Everything's spilling out of it.
Okay, now let's test it out.
I have to put my bomb into the cup. Don't break it. Now I'm gonna break it.
Now I'm gonna put the hot milk into the cup.
But my humans still alive. chocolate milk. It's chocolate bomb.
Yes, it turns into hot chocolate.
Yeah, hot chocolate. And the marshmallows. It's a hot chocolate. She has marshmallows in it.
Wow.